ticklish?
A little.
Yeah, I can see. All right. Knee 90 degrees. Left side. Right. And left. So not a lot of motion on the right side. I'm going to set that L5 there. Come on over here. Line your right side here. So I'm using your x-ray to tell me exactly where your fifth lumbar is, okay? That's it right there. Your S1 never fully fused out there, so I gotta get right on that segment right there.
Is that a good or bad thing?
It's just a you thing. It's irrelevant whether it happens or not. It's just most people it does fuse out on. Breathe out. Okay, that's C6 there. Oh, a little baby push. Perfect. Nice and gentle. Let me check. That's L5. L5 looks really good. L5's good. All right, one more time up here.